Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a deepfake live video call and how to swap your face on a live video call. There's this to pull a prank on your loved ones and do other fun stuff with it. So I'm going to be guiding you through a step-by-step process on how to get started. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to build a smartphone, a laptop, and also a strong Wi-Fi. So we're going to search on the search bar for Amingo AI. So that's the AI we're going to be making use of. So this is it here. You can see Amingo AI. So we're just going to click on install. So I already installed it already. So I'm going to open it. So you can see that it is already opened. So it's currently loading. So I'm making use of a Samsung phone, a Samsung device, the Samsung A55 series. You can make use of any Android of your choice and see that it is already opened. So you can see, let me take this camera away. So you can see that it is already open. We have various faces here. We have different faces to select. So these are different faces. So that's a feature where you can upload your own faces. So you're going to see this plus icon here. You can upload your own custom face. Any face can be a celebrity or anyone. So just uploaded the caveats image. So it's going to load. So you can see that the face has already applied. So you can upload different faces of your choice. So you can upload any custom face you have. So you can see this is Kelvin Hart. So I'm going to make use of Kelvin Hart here. So I'm going to select the Kelvin Hart. So you can select any face you want. You can select any face you want. So for this, I'm going to make use of Kelvin Hart. I'm going to select Kelvin Hart here. And you can see that my face has changed already. You can see that the face has changed. So let me move back so you can see. So this is the Kelvin Hart face here, which you can see. So for you to connect this as your webcam, you're going to install this other app. So I'm going to go to your Google Play Store and install this other app here. The other app is Screen Stream. I'm going to see it here, Screen Stream here. So you're going to install that app and let's open the app. So you can see the app, we have different things here, but you're just going to make use of two settings. You're going to set this to local mode and you're going to see here that has your IP address. So you're just going to click on start stream here. So it's going to ask you whether you want to share a particular app or you want to share your entire screen. So I'm going to click on share entire screen and let's click on share entire. So you're going to be using OBS. OBS is a free broadcast studio where you can connect devices as your webcam. So you're going to download OBS. I'm going to leave the link of OBS in the description. We're going to download OBS and install it like any other application. So we're going to copy our IP address. So after we're done copying our IP address here, so this is how OBS is going to look like. So we're going to come over to this add icon here. We're going to click on add and we're going to go over to here that says browser. I'm going to click on that browser. So let's set this to phone webcam and also make sure that your PC and your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. So you can see it's going to pop up this. So this is where you're going to paste the IP address you copied from Screen Stream. We're going to paste the IP address here. So this is the IP address. I'm going to set our width to 1080 while our height to be 1920. So we're going to click on OK and you're going to see here it's going to load. So it's loading and you can see here it's downloading. So you can see on this our device we already had we're already sharing our screen. So you can see here this is what is happening in my screen. So you can see my screen is showing on OBS. I'm gonna go back to Amingo AI. So when you're in Amingo AI, you're also going to be needing a phone stand where you can keep your phone. So let's so you can see here. So you can see my screen over here. So you can see the screen over here. So you can see it here. So we're going to adjust OBS. So we're going to scale this up. So I'm going to go back to OBS and let's scale this up to fit in. So I'm going to set this like this, and let's scale this up a little bit. So I'm going to drag this here. I'm going to drag this here. Drag this other one. Yeah. So you can see what we have. So you can see how seamless this face is. So you can see how seamless it is. So this is Kelvin Hart. So how we're going to make use of this as our webcam, we're going to come over to here that says start virtual camera, and we're going to click on start virtual camera. So let's make a quick video call on this. I'm going to connect this to Loom. So I'm going to be using Loom to test the webcam. So you can see here on my screen. So this is Loom here. You can see Loom over here. So you can see that it is connected to the OBS virtual camera. So make sure that you can see that it's connected to the OBS virtual camera. So make sure that whenever you want to make use of this, you select the OBS virtual camera. So you can either use it on WhatsApp or Instagram. But for this, I'm making use of Loom, which I selected this as OBS Studio virtual cam. So you can see here, you can see my demonstration here. So this is also another angle of using it. So you can see the camera here, and you can see this on Loom, which is here. So let me zoom in Loom so you can see it. So this is Loom here. So you can see the Loom version. So let's go ahead and change it. We can change this to another person here. So let's try this white sky. So you can see that I just changed the face. So that is it for today's video. The link to the app is in the description and also in the pinned comment. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and note that this is for fun purposes and it shouldn't be misused. It's for educational purposes and it shouldn't be abused. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on notification bell not to miss amazing content like this. I'm Joseph from Juicy Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.